Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so I installed the camera on the front. I hope my double-sided tape keeps there for the duration of flight and I don't lose my Insta360 Go 360. Slightly heavy side on the nose, but actually it's balancing very well. Awesome. Give a big like to this video if you liked it, and if this mount is working really nice, I'm gonna install it on other quadcopters, Ishi and Cinewoop. It will be nice, you know, Copter, because it can easily carry it, and we'll see in flow state stabilization how things look like. If you want to download the STL file for this you know, third-person view mount for Insta360 Go, check out the link in video description. Show some love, download the 3D file, 3D print it, and use it. Enjoy. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.